Good morning, friends. Today we will be discussing the impending merger of Vodafone with Idea Cellular. This is probably the one of the biggest mergers in India and the biggest merger in the telecom industry. So, with this merger, the biggest aspect that the telecom industry will see is that of consolidation. Competitive intensity over a medium to longer term will definitely reduce, which will essentially mean higher return ratios, better capital efficiency, and more pricing for the telecom players. But all these things will materialize over 2 to 5 year kind of a time frame, but not immediately. Over the next 2 years, because Jio is a new entrant and they will try to get as much market share as possible, competitive intensity will continue to remain at a reasonably high levels over the next 2 years. Having said that, this acquisition or rather this merger makes Idea Cellular Vodafone the largest telecom entity in India with close to 41% revenue market share, with possibly the best spectrum footprint and much reduced capital expenditure needs for the future. So this merger is a win-win situation for both the players, as it brings in a lot of operational synergies and also a lot of capital efficiencies in the future. Idea tends to gain the most from this merger, primarily because of its market positioning of being a number 3 player, having a much higher sensitivity to operational synergies, and also being a player with great capital efficiency which can deliver long-term returns. So Idea, being from a number 3 player, catapults to number 1 position in terms of the combined entity, which is significant positive. Also, the sector will see a re-rating because the long-term picture for the telecom industry is much brighter now. So the valuations for telecom industry will start moving upwards, which were actually de-rating for a very long 10-year cycle, where we saw the valuations from 10 times EV EBITDA to declining to 5 times EV EBITDA. I believe that these valuations have bottomed out. Now we are going to see a ascending trajectory of valuations for the telecom industry. Having said that, how do we look at Idea Cellular at current levels? The stock has run up by almost around more than 50% in the last 2 weeks or so. From that perspective, the upside at this juncture looks a little capped, but considering these are times where there is going to be a lot of optimism with Idea Cellular, the stock could further re-rate. As of now, we are looking at the target price actively, but we haven't actually come out with the target price as of now, because a lot of things need to be cleared out, whether what will be the treatment for the tower assets, what will be the management control. So those aspects are not yet clarified. So as things start becoming more clearer, I believe that there is further scope for re-rating for Idea Cellular. So as of now, we still have a buy recommendation on the stock, but target price, we will have to wait and watch on how the scenario emerges for Idea Cellular on the merger path. Thank you and have a good day.